Let's make a Valentine's Day sensory activity using these cute little hearts that I made. Each heart has a photo of a family member, so my little guy can find all the people that love him. It's such a sweet activity for Valentine's Day, and a fun way to go over the who's who in your family. So let's get started, stars! Start by grabbing a piece of cardstock or printer paper and draw a heart, and then draw a smaller one next to it, and cut both of them out. Normally I'd use my Cricut for this, but I wanted to show you how to do it without one. After I cut them both out, I put them over top of each other just to make sure I would like how they looked. This next step I'm using a piece of felt, but you could use cardstock or even cardboard would be fine. Anyways, I'm folding it in half and then I'm folding it in half again, and then you're going to take your larger heart, put it on top, and trace it. Once you're done tracing, you're going to go ahead and cut that out and you should end up with 4 hearts. I ended up repeating this step 3 or 4 times with different colors of felt because we have a pretty big family, so I wanted to make sure everyone had a heart. Set your hearts aside and let's move on to the photo. Take your smaller heart and place it wherever you'd like, and then trace. Once you're done tracing, you're going to go ahead and cut that out and repeat this step with all your photos. Place your photo over the felt heart to get an idea of where you'd like it, and then adhere the photo to the felt. I went with hot glue for this. You'll see I used a pretty generous amount of hot glue, and that's just so my toddler couldn't rip the picture off. Now repeat this process with all your pictures. They are so cute, I just love them so much. Okay, moving on. I'm taking a pen and a pipe cleaner and I'm just twisting it around. These are the little squiggly guys that you saw in the bin. You don't have to do this, but my toddler likes to pull them apart, so I just added those in. And I had Valentine's Day colors, so it matched the theme. What I'm doing here is folding over the ends so that they're not sharp. I added in the sparkly one so that there was a little bit more variety of texture in the bin. Okay, we're almost done. Gather up all of your material, your hearts, your pipe cleaners. I threw in a couple of little pom-poms. Now you might notice I only have 1 heart in there. That's just because I didn't want to put all my family in this video. I made some sensory rice in Valentine's Day colors, and if you would like to learn how to dye rice, you can head over to my channel for that. I buried my heart and then threw some rice on top of the pipe cleaners, and then I added in a couple of different tools, a magnifying glass, scoops, little pair of tweezers. I do just want to put a little disclaimer that you do not need to go buy any of these fancy tools. You can always use stuff around your house, which is what I did for a long time. Everything that you'll see me use in my videos is stuff that we've acquired over the last 5 years. So if you'd like to go buy all the tools that you see, that's perfectly fine. But if you just want to use stuff that you have around the house, that's perfectly fine too. Your baby or toddler is still going to have a blast with this no matter what. This was a really fun activity to go over the who's who in our family, especially since a lot of our family lives far away. If you're in a similar situation or your child is very young, you can always sportscast who the person is as they pull out photos. So stars, what do you think? Tell me in the comments down below and come back to our channel as I have a lot of fun Valentine's Day crafts and activities planned ahead. Bye!